Angielia Marwein ithei dat riam ba arpusau snem ke ertan shalong ila syajit kum inong job jong ke Femina Miss India hakajala but insa Leit ban Mihkhmat ya kajala syakajing kop national pageant hakajing lang ba gnong thok kubo bela penlong ha shalong press club ikong Marwein ilai thu shpang kajing ya denti kajong i kajing puli ba kajing jit ka subject political science but ru kajing angno jong i ban penpau perthei ya kajing rius pa ko kolshor jong kajala ila kintu ru ikinong shong ke jela ban ai jing krishani I ha ki rinsan social media knang ba ini yo rung ha kathup top 12 but ban yo bat ya ka nam multimedia subtitle
I have done my schooling from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, my bachelor's from St. Edmund's College and my master's degree from St. Anthony's College. As a person, I'm a very adventurous person. My hobbies include trekking, swimming, doing any adventurous thing, be it cliff jumping or river rafting, something like that. And I have also a keen interest in dancing and music. I've also been really active in sports. I used to play basketball and I was a track athlete in school. Since the day I decided to participate in Femina Miss India, my biggest supporter has always been my entire family and all my friends. The contest will be held on the end of October, last week October. We don't really know the dates yet. They've not specified, but soon I'll be sharing that with you all.